NFT builds communities. Okay, this is one of the example for souvenir. Now let's say 50 years ago, okay, even I wasn't born then. So 50 years ago, we both watched Sholay movie. Okay, and we were the two person. Let's imagine that we are the two person who went for first day first show. Okay, and we weren't connected at that particular time. Let's say you are sitting in the front row, I'm sitting in the back row. Okay, we watched that movie first day first show. Now let's imagine that particular ticket, it wasn't just a ticket. Let's say it was an NFT. Okay, after 50 years, we can get connected on blockchain. One thing, and second thing is that you have a proof that you have seen the first movie, first day first show of Sholay. Okay, how proud you will feel. So the use cases are infinite. So these are some of the use cases even people are coming up with. And on top of that, now the NFTs are getting converted as utilities. Like ticketing is an utility.
Right.
Okay, so the future is, as I said earlier, it's left to how creative you are.